Hi there, this is Faye from Feisworld podcast, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to install VigLink from their website to your Squarespace website. The instructions are fairly simple. However, if you have never done anything like this before, dropping a script onto your Squarespace template, this may seem less trivial. And if you are not sure what VigLink is, I'll give you a brief intro. It is a pretty magical service, which is now known as Sovereign. I don't know how to really pronounce this correctly, but it was formerly known as VigLink. What it does is, if you're like me, who's been running a website for a bunch of years and you have links all over your website, maybe that's an Amazon book, maybe that's a link to a fashion website, but you want to convert all those links without doing all those crazy work, and convert them into affiliate links. This is the way to do it. VigLink actually gives you a really simple, straightforward. All you have to do is to install the VigLink code that you see on my screen to your Squarespace website. So when you sign up, I've included a link for you to sign up for their service, and you'll be taken to a section that's called Under Home and Install. And I will include a link that you can log in and direct you to this very place as well. So first, you want to make sure that if you have multiple sites, that you check your site where you want to install the link. And then secondly, the section that says copy this code to your clipboard. And there's a little button that makes it quite easy right here. And below that, it assumes that it's going right and you know what you're doing. You should be all done, but let me show you. So I practiced this once before to make sure I record this video correctly, but as you can see, right now it's a success, but I actually just removed the code. And what you will see is, if you, same with Feisworld, here it says error, no instance of VigLink code was found on your page. And if you enter your website under your account, you will see this red error message as well. So let's hop over to Squarespace and show you how it's done. Once you log into Squarespace, where you want to go is under Settings. And under Settings, what you want to do is go into Advanced. Under Advanced, there's a section called Code Injection. So I want to explain real quick that what I'm doing here is simply to have VigLink takes over the entire Feisworld website, find every link possible and convert them into affiliated links. However, if you want to choose only certain pages that you want to convert the links, you can also do that as well. So if you're lazy like me who wants to take care of this and be done with, again, going back to VigLink, all you have to do is click copy and it's automatically copied to your clipboard. You hop back to your Squarespace website under code injection. So one thing to note is it's not under header. It's actually much easier to do under footer. And here it says enter code that will be injected into the template defined footer on every page of your website. Obviously, footer is every part of your website. So if you have scripts and things there already, simply just start a new line, put your cursor here, clear out some empty lines, and boom, you just do paste of what you copied. And as you can see, it's already embedded here. And if you don't have anything in this block, most of you probably don't, and just do paste. So now make sure you hit save before you exit out. So now let's go back to VigLink, and without doing anything else, enter your website again, click on check. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, but as you can see, we're witness. Now the error message is gone. It says success, you have installed the code correctly. So this is it. I'll create another video to show you how you inject on individual pages. That is very similar to what I've done just now, but it's really very convenient if you have, especially a website that you've been running for many years with links all over the place. What you don't want to do is to chase down every single one of them and have to replace them. and I will either create another video, or you can simply go to VigLink website and to learn sort of the logic behind it. It is extremely simple. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but it's really quite wonderful. It does come with some limitations, but for the most part, it will serve the purpose and help you convert all the links into affiliated links. Hope this helps.